Hashtag game day appetizers with Ian Good, y'all. Check it out. I'm doing a collab today with Ian Good and Cooking with Neighbors, Jerri-Ellen. Hey, it's gonna be a real tasty meal today, so let's get into it, y'all. Oh yeah, don't forget, Ian Good and Jerri-Ellen, the links will be down below. And please check them out, y'all. Please check them out. They're my people. They're my people. So let's start off with our onion. Go ahead and get this chopped up, y'all. Just chopped up. Now, hey, you know y'all got to give me that LSS. Please don't forget. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe. That LSS, y'all, every time. Like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. But anyway, this week, Pittsburgh Steelers are playing the Denver Broncos. Now, y'all know we gotta beat these Broncos. We gotta do it, y'all. We got to. So once we get our onion chopped up, we're gonna get into our olive oil. Now we have 3 tablespoons of olive oil in this pan. And then we're gonna give them a mix. And once we get that going, we're gonna go ahead and drop our elk into our olive oil. Now we got 2 tablespoons of olive oil in that pan. And then we're gonna go back to our onions. Go ahead and rain on them. Hit them with a little salt, a little pepper. We're gonna go ahead and give that a mix and let these onions caramelize. Now, at the same time, we need to go ahead and make sure that our elk is browning and doing this thing. Just basically browning it just like you would do ground beef. Now we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of flour to our olive oil and onion. And we're gonna start making our roux for our cheese sauce, y'all. You know we gotta have some good cheese sauce. Got to have that. My wife would have a fit if it wasn't no cheese sauce or no nachos. And it better be tasty. Y'all know she a straight cheese lover. And I gotta get her to eat the elk too. So once we get that roux done and worked out real well, we're gonna go ahead and add in our cream. Now here, I'm using a 1/2 cup of cream. And then we're gonna give that a mix and bring it up to a boil so it can go ahead and thicken up. How it's gonna thicken up. And once we get that mixed in really well, it's time to rain down on it with some of this cheese, y'all. Now, I have 2 different types of cheese here today. Yeah, we're using cheddar and Monterey Jack, y'all. Now, you can use any kind of cheese you choose. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Use the cheese that you like, y'all. Always use the cheese that you like. So yeah, y'all, once we get all that cheese in, we're gonna mix it on up, y'all. And hey, man, my Steelers ain't doing that good this year. I think it's that offensive line, me myself, but you know, you never know. My Steelers always come back in the end. So, like I say, y'all, I've been following my Steelers since the 70s, y'all. We've been down. We done went through rebuilding years, so it's okay. It's okay. One and 3, y'all. 1 and 3. That's alright. We gonna win every last game left. What's up with that? But anyway, see how creamy our cheese sauce came out? So once we get our cheese sauce ready, now these are flour tortillas that I'm finna fry here. Now you can use corn tortillas if that's what you like. Hey, my wife, she kind of like flour ones. She like corn too, but you know, she wanted flour today. So this is what we going with. So once we get them cut into our triangular shapes, we're gonna go ahead and fry them up, y'all. Fry. Get them a nice crispy golden brown. Put a little salt on them right when they come out that grease. Just rain down on them right quick, and they're gonna be tasty, y'all. They're gonna be tasty. So once that first side get that golden brown color, let's go ahead and give them a flippy flip. Once that other side get right, let's get them on out that hot oil, y'all. Then go ahead and throw in our next batch. Cause my wife is gonna want more chips than that, y'all. And these are so simple to make. I mean, you really doing real quick on the game day. Make as many as whoever in your party wants. So let's start building our nachos. So we're gonna start with our freshly fried chips. Then we're gonna come in with that elk, y'all. Cause you know in Denver, they eat a lot of wild game out there. A lot of restaurants sponsor that wild game. So had to make them Denver style with that wild game, y'all. That wild game. Then we coming in with our cheese sauce after we use our elk. Then we're coming in with our peppers and our olives, y'all. Now you can use whatever type of olives or peppers that you like. Be the master of your own taste buds, y'all. And then let's go ahead and throw in our next layer of chips. Some more of that glorious cheese sauce. Gotta cheese it up for wifey. She loves cheese. Put us a little fresh guac and some sour cream on top. And then sprinkle a little bit more of that Monterey Jack and that cheddar on. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Now, wifey did nachos with nacho chips. I did mine with fries. Hey. And both of them was tasty, y'all. Of course, I had more of that elk than wifey. But she still ate up some too. She still ate up some. You know she talked that noise. But anyway, y'all. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.